Welcome back to another episode of Bill Hanna Baking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lava cake. This is going to be the easiest lava cake possible. It's going to be 3 minutes of hands-on time, very few already made ingredients, and very limited equipment. This lava cake is just going to be from two main ingredients. It's your favorite chocolate box cake mix and your favorite chocolate truffle. In this case, I'm using the Lindor Lindt Chocolate Truffles. Try to get 6-ounce ramekins. The size of the chocolate truffle, or usually any type of truffle, is going to be a good size for a 6-ounce ramekin, not much smaller than that. I've included an Amazon link below for the right size. Let's start by getting your oven ready. Set your oven to 350 degrees or whatever instructions your cake box mix gives you. Let's prep our ramekins by greasing them. Use butter to grease your ramekin and then use cocoa powder or sugar to line the inside of your ramekins as such. Tap out any excessive powder. Now we're going to make the cake batter by simply following the instructions on the box. I split my recipe into 1/4 of what it says simply because I have just 2 ramekins to work with. Pour in 1/3 of the mix into the ramekin and plop in your truffle. When you pour in the rest of your cake batter, you want to leave at least 1/4 of room on top because your cake will expand and you don't want it to overflow in the oven. Now get your ramekins into the oven. Normally, a cake box mix will give you different times for different types of cake. For example, the time for a cupcake is going to be different than the time for a round cake. Use the time for cupcakes and pick the middle of the range. The instructions that I'm using have a range of 12 to 17 minutes, so I'm going to put my ramekins in for 15 minutes. Once your lava cakes are done, get the ramekins onto a cooling rack. As an aside, I saw this really cool tip for handling those slippery ramekins. Wrap your tongs in paper towel and wrap the paper towels in elastic bands. The rubber from the elastic bands will help hold the ramekins a lot better. With lava cake, you generally want to eat the lava cake 5 to 10 minutes after you take it out of the oven. This is just to make sure that the chocolate truffle doesn't get absorbed by the cake itself. After about 5 minutes of cooling, run a small knife around the edges of your ramekin to help separate the cake from the ramekin. Now flip your ramekin onto your serving plate and jiggle it carefully to release the cake. And there it is. Check that out. You get a little bit of molten chocolate with that lovely cake, and that's what you're looking for. Have fun with it. Add some strawberries, add some cocoa powder, add some ice cream, add some whipped cream. Maybe not all of those things together, but have some fun, get creative with it, and you have a lovely treat. And that is the easiest lava cake possible. Hope you had some fun with it. Hope you really enjoyed it. See you when I see ya.